Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to lose weight but still want a satisfying dinner, this video is for you. Today, we'll cover what to eat and when to eat dinner for the best weight loss results. Let's get started. Dinner plays a crucial role in weight loss. Eating the right foods at the right time can boost your metabolism, improve digestion, and prevent late-night cravings. But making the wrong choices? That can lead to weight gain and sluggish mornings. So let's break it down. Timing is everything. Eating dinner too late can lead to fat storage, as your body has less time to burn calories before bedtime. The best time to eat? At least 2-3 hours before sleeping. This gives your body enough time to digest and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Aim for dinner between 6:00 p.m. and 8:00 p.m. for optimal results. Now, let's talk about the best foods to eat for dinner. You want a meal that is high in protein, rich in fiber, and balanced with healthy fats and complex carbs. Here are some great options. Lean proteins, grilled chicken, fish, tofu, or lentils help keep you full and boost metabolism. Non-starchy vegetables, broccoli, spinach, zucchini, and bell peppers provide fiber and essential nutrients. Healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds support digestion and satiety. Complex carbs, quinoa, sweet potatoes, or brown rice can provide lasting energy. A good rule of thumb? Fill half your plate with veggies, 1/4 with protein, and the last quarter with healthy carbs or fats. Now, let's talk about foods to avoid, especially if you want to lose weight. 1. Refined carbs and sugars, white bread, pasta, and sugary desserts spike blood sugar and lead to fat storage. 2. Fried and processed foods. These are high in unhealthy fats and can slow metabolism. 3. Heavy meals before bed. Large portions or greasy foods can lead to bloating and poor sleep. Need some meal ideas? Here are 3 delicious and weight loss friendly dinner options. 1. Grilled salmon with steamed broccoli and quinoa, a perfect balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. 2. Chicken and vegetable stir-fry with brown rice, a light but filling meal packed with nutrients. 3. Lentil soup with a side salad, a great plant-based option that is high in protein and fiber. Before we wrap up, here are a few extra tips to make your weight loss journey even easier. Drink water before dinner helps control appetite and aids digestion. Eat slowly and mindfully. This prevents overeating and improves digestion. No late-night snacking if you get hungry. Opt for herbal tea or a small handful of nuts. And that's it. Eating a balanced dinner at the right time can make a huge difference in your weight loss journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and comment below with your favorite healthy dinner ideas. See you next time.